Show me the homework first. Let me check. The homework is for leap number, right? Leap year.
Yes, sir.
So just can you show me? We have done the task. Just present your screen. Let me check.
Yes, sir. Just a minute. Is my screen visible?
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Uh,
You are not program also I've given, right? Okay. Let me show the logic.
yes.
Now you accepted input. Then mod 2 equal to 0. Perfect. So it is one and odd. Okay. Then go for even
Should I
here.
run it?
No, that's fine. You can run this, no problem.
Okay.
Check it. Yeah, I'm interested in the leap year, so just run the programs. Let me check.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Is it running? Yeah. So add a year as suppose 2022, not a leap year. Find. Make it to
Yes.
2024. Run 1 second. 2024
Is a
is a
leap.
leap year. Right. One more cross check.
Yes.
Just run one again. 1 second. And the 1900.
This?
Only in page 1990 actually. Okay, no worries. It's fine. Okay, fine. So it is also working on and fine. Okay, cool. Brahmajot,
Yes, sir.
have you done?
Yes, sir.
Can you show me?
Yes. Should I
Yeah,
stop
yeah,
sharing,
yeah.
sir?
You can stop. Yeah, you can stop sharing. Let's check this program, and we'll start with some um looping programs. Follow.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, your the code is right, but there is a problem in the class name, I think. Okay.
Yes.
Just check your class name. Uh, you have a project in right side, right? Classes.
Yes.
Just expand this file. No, no, go here. Yeah,
No, sir.
expand this. Classes, project,
Project.
right side. The
Yes.
classes you have, no, no, no. Here. Yeah. That's click on arrow, go on SRC, expand that SRC, click on that arrow. No, arrow.
Yes.
Yes. Go for default, click on arrow. Yeah, so you have programs. Okay, there is a problem whenever there is a cross symbol, that means some hang problem. Okay,
Yes.
so thing is that just click on home. Let me check what is the problem. Yeah, double click. Okay, you are not saved the program, just make it save. You can use control S also. Yeah, save that also fine. Save, fine. Save that third one also. Yeah, either you can use shortcut control S, or you can use for simply save. I think it is get save. Yeah. Okay. Save. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
No. Just open that program first. It is not open still. Yeah. Yeah. So see, you have done half program. Remove that import symbol. Okay, it's the empty
I
class. No. That remove that import java.util.scanner. You are not using, then why you are importing? Yeah?
yes.
Remove this and now make it save as, or control S. Control plus S. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Now you can run the files. So Don't keep any file as empty or unused things. Okay, it is need
Yes.
to make all the class working fine. Okay, now just run it. Right click, run as Java application. Fine. Enter number. Enter number. Friends, even an odd number. Have you tried for leap year?
No, no, sir.
It is
I
actually the
was.
same logic, just instead of 2, you need to add a 4. Okay. Or even though you
Yes.
can do the mod
Yes,
100
sir.
also, that is also possible. Mod 100 and both the combination will work. Okay, no worry, you can stop. Good. So, but don't create unused class. Okay, don't keep any unused
Yes,
class
sir.
and all that thing. So that will create a problem. Okay, fine. Let me share my screen now, and we'll go for hello. Yeah, let me share my screen. Yeah. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So basically, I'm working on LinkedIn my profile. I just wanted to update my profile picture, background picture. So I just buying this Canva and I'm changing this. Okay, fine. Wait, I can do it later on. Yeah. I thought the chat GPT will create for me, but it is taking too much time, so it will not work. Fine. So last topic was if else. Now we're going to see for loop. Okay. So we know the use of for loop
Yes, sir.
already. Why we use the for loop and what is the use of that. So we understood now. Let's check it. Syntax, how to use a for loop and what is the use of the for loop. So basically, tell me why we need a for loop. What is the use of for loops? Basic need of for loops.
To print the statement in a loop.
Okay. Print the statement in a loop. Okay. And is there anything?
To print the statement as many times as directed by the programmer.
Okay. Means for repeating something. Okay. So until
Yes,
we
sir.
need the false condition will be get false. So yeah. So that is purpose. That's why we need a for loop. So the example is many example we can take. So assume that you want to print something for 10 times. So we have something that we can use system.out.println. Okay. So this is one way you can keep on printing anything. Suppose I want to print the RAM for the 10 times. You can use system.out.println for 10 times. But this is not a good way. Na? If I told you to write this again 100 times, so you may say that some 1,000 times. So you need to write this statement for the thousandth time. So to solve such a kind of problem, so we need a something which we work on based on repetition. Okay, it is similar or exactly the same as a C, C++, but not for a Python. Huh? Python syntax is totally different than this for loop. But the conditions and the main role of the for loop remains same. The syntax will be get changed. So for syntax, you can use a for loop keyword same as a for loop. Okay. Here we need to pass a three things. First thing will be your initializations from where you want to start in it. The second position will be to what means a condition will be comes here. Semicolon is a compulsory, right? In third part will be either it is a incrementing or a decrementing. This is syntax similar for the C also, C++ also. But in Python, we are writing some different syntax. So as RV knows, like
Yes, sir.
for we are using I, then in, then a
In range.
range. Then we are passing different three parameter also we are passing here, where to start, up to what, and the
Yes.
conditions. This is the same thing actually. This is done, but this is a way of writing code. Is like okay, the concept remains same, so there will be not difficult. So now this is a syntax, and until the condition is true, of course here the opening bracket and the closing bracket is there, which is not in a Python. So it is no opening and closing brackets. Rest all the programming have this opening and closing brackets, so that we need to remember. Yeah, until the condition is true, the things will be get keep on executing. Once it falls, it's come out of that for loop. Okay. So three things we need to pass: initialization, condition, increment or decrement. So for example,
Yes.
suppose I want to print 1 to 10 a number. So for that time, what we are going to use, we use for as a keyword. Then initialization, from where you want to start. For that also you need to specify the data type integer I equal to 0 or from 1. Then up to what you want to print? I want to print up to 10. So I less than equal to 10 semicolon I plus plus. I plus plus means increment by 1. Okay. And just make a opening and closing brackets and print this I. So it will print, the loop will be get executed for the 10th time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we'll use a for loop and if else many times for solving many problems. So by practicing it, we'll make it. Okay, now let's do it practically. We'll do very a simple program first, as usual. Check the syntax and print 1 to 10 numbers. So go for your project. Project name is I think our school as a project name. So let's me open that as a project. SRC. Then there is a package. I'll just right click. See, whenever if I call the project means this. Okay. If you click on, if you keep clicking on this folder, nothing will be happen. Okay. So just remember these are the arrow for expanding purpose. Okay. You just click on arrow. Even you can check
Yes,
also.
sir.
So, okay, in this there are many files. There's many classes. Okay. Here is also the many things. So just don't go up to deep, but I'm just telling ki how deep it is. Okay. There are many things there. JRE will handle all these things. Do not worry about this. All the things are happen in the background. Just need to add this JRE. JRE is also get automatically added. We are simply creating a files. What is your file name now? Or have you created any file or not? Still not.
No, sir.
No for files. Okay, let's click on this
Yes.
folder. New class. So don't use a reserve word for creating a class. For is a reserve word. Just add something, demo or example or something. And also no space between file name. Though you are trying to give the space between the file name, there is an error. You can see the above. The type name is not valued. Okay. So it is not valid identifiers. So remember, underscore is allowed that you can use, but use this simple things. And of course, just we need to click on this main class because currently we are working on main class itself. So let's go here. What's your job to understand the for loops? For loop is used for the repetition purpose. Let's take a simple example. Either you can initialize from here also integer I is equal to 0. So integer just make it I. Then you can use for loop here. I equal to 1. First condition. I less than equal to 10. Semicolon. I plus plus. Opening and closing brackets. Either you can define int I here, that is also the one way, or you can define int here also. Okay, both the things are okay. Either
Yes,
one
sir.
of thing you can use. So now let's say this is mostly we are using, so it work properly. Fine. So now what I do, this is simply I start from 1, I go up to a 10, then I plus plus. I will simply print system dot out dot println, and that is I. So this is simple for loop. It will print I from 1 up to 10. So let's run this file, run as Java application. You can see the output in the console. Okay, the
Yes,
ln stand for new line. If I remove this ln and I run once again, you can find this. Okay,
it will be in line.
it
Yes.
is same line. If you want to add some space, that you can do by make it a plus, use some space. It's
Yes.
possible. Okay? Right. But if you want to print on next lines, use ln as a keyboard.
Ln.
As usual in CPP, right? We are using end L, and in
Yes.
C language we are using slash n and something. So it
Right.
is there is no need to do this. It all already have two things, either print or print ln. So yeah. Okay, so this is simple for loop for use for repetition purpose. Now within this loop, you can print anything. Now we are just printing a number. So suppose you wanted to print some Jai Shri Rams, doesn't matter. You can write. Okay, just run it. Jai Shri Ram for the 10 time. Okay, and based on you, if you want for 100 times, so of course you can go for the 100 times. Doesn't matter. Okay, so until the condition is true, it keep on printing. So this is a one way to understand the syntax. Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now do some more variations with this for loops. The primary purpose of the for loop is only this to for the repeating some kind of things until certain condition is true. Go for the for loop. So now this is a simple variations that just define, initialize, and increment. So now we'll see some different variation. So let's create one more class of for examples. I'm doing main class. Just go here. No package, nothing's. Remove this. See what we need to do. The first variation we want to print. Suppose first variation we have seen that print 1 to 10 number. Simple I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus. Second thing, what I wanted, I want the output should be only odd number between odd number between suppose 50, 1 to 50. So our job is to print all the odd numbers between 1 to 50. Okay, but only using a for loop,
Yes, sir.
not if else. Just so we'll go here. We'll firstly our task is to be generate 1 to 50 numbers. So let's I equal to 1 semicolon I less than equal to 50, less than equal to 50.
50.
Here semicolon I plus plus. So it will generate 1 to 50 number. And if you go here, it will, you can use logic this also, like if I mod 2 equal to 0. Okay. This is also the one way to print. So let's try with this solution. Sorry, we want odd number, na? So instead of equal to, you should go for
Yes, sir.
not equal to. Okay.
Not equal.
Otherwise, it will print
Yes,
even
sir.
number. We go for odd number. So just right click it, run as Java applications. So you can find the output. These are all odd numbers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all this. Okay. The thing is that now I want without using if else condition, I want to print all the odd numbers.
odd numbers.
So how is it possible? Right? We have a for loop which will start from 1, go up to
Yes.
50 and increment by 1. If I simply print this I, so what will it print? 1 to 50. Let me take some less number. Suppose I'm just taking a 25. It will print some 1 to 25. Okay. But our job is to print only odd number. That is also without using conditions. So now how is possible? To finding any ways how we can do it. Is there any possibility without using for loops? Can
Uh,
you make
no,
anything?
sir. No,
Okay, see, let me make it simple. So all things are depend on this from where you want to start to the conditions and the increments. When we are saying increment as a plus plus, that means I is incremented by 1, right? It increment by 1. But what we wanted, which wanted increment by 2. Can you make it I default by default incrementing by 1 instead of 1? It should be get increment by 2. By making changes
yes,
here,
sir.
we can able to do that.
Yes,
Okay. Simply change this
Yes, sir.
expression I equal to I plus, sorry, I plus 2.
I plus 1.
No,
Okay,
2.
yes, 2.
Okay. This means what happened? The initially the I is get printed. Let me open that epic pen. So we'll explain the thing. So initially I is a 1, right? So I will be get started by printing 1. So understand this program. Current value of I is 1. So first I is there 1. Condition it will be checked less than equal to 25. Okay, fine. It will print 1. Fine. Second, it will go for here. Start execution from here. Check the condition. Condition is true. Enter into the loop. Print the output. Then go for the increment. By default, increment is by 1. So initially it I will become. But now what we are running? I plus 2. Initially I is a 1 plus it will get added 2. Then value of I become what? 3.
3.
Okay.
yes,
Yes.
And one more thing, remember the initialization part done only once. Okay. Only once the initialization part is done, not again and again. Many times the repetition will be done until condition is true. Okay. Once initialization is done, it will be the cursor will go don't go for the initialization. It will keep on incrementing and checking, incrementing and checking. Now the it will check a 3 less than 25. Yes, so it will print 3. So now the current value of I is 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So it will keep
5.
printing 5, 7, and 9 and all that. Okay. So
Yes,
yes,
sir.
for in the for loop, there are three things: initialization, conditions, either increment or a decrement. So increment by default is 1, I plus plus passing. But if you want to increment by 1 as something else, so you can write this expression. Okay. So let me delete this
Yes, sir.
and let me run this program. So we'll get all the odd number between 1 to 25. Okay. You see the output 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Okay. As usual, as I told that, the initialization done only once. What if I print here 10? What will happen?
Then
It
it
would
will
print 10, 30, 50.
10, 13, 10, 12, right?
yes to
Not 12, na? What will be the output? Initialization is at 10. So can it print
Yes,
10?
it will be 12 after that.
12, 14,
Okay,
16.
but our condition will be get wrong. So then that's why we need to go for 9, right? Because we want odd numbers, right? 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 20. Okay, odd. But now instead of this odd,
Yes.
what if I want all the even number between 1 to 25?
We could write 1 instead of 2 over
Third,
there.
Here,
No, no. After I plus 2. Instead of 2 over there.
what should we unite to write?
1.
1.
Yes.
If I make 0 here, then whether it will run. Now tell me the output if I declare I equal to 0.
2, 4,
So that all are the even
6.
number, no?
Yes.
Okay, then there is no need to change here 2, 4, 8,
Yes.
10 up to 24. Perfect. So just by
Yes.
making initialization, changing the initialization and by incrementing things,
Yes.
it will be
Yes, sir.
print all. Okay. Now one more things. You understood this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now there are second condition we want to print. Just tell me. Uh, this is a incrementing things we are seeing. So for demo, I'm writing here demo 1 or demo 2. Now his job is to print 1 to 10 number only, but in reverse manner. Okay. What is job? Print number. Print 10 to 1 number. Means what? The reverse manner we want to print. Our output should be 10, 9, 8, and something like that. And now tell me what will be the twist in the for loops. Task is to print 1 to 10 number, but in reverse manner.
Could we use any built-in function?
We
No.
can do decrement.
Decrement we
Decrement.
can do. Yes, of course, we can do the decrements. But print 1 to 10 number in reverse, REVERSE. In reverse means what? Where we need to start printing,
From if we want it till 10, so 10, 9, 8, 7.
right? So initialization
Yes.
should be integer I equal to what?
10.
10 only. Because from 10 and we keep on decrementing. So now let me check the condition. What should be the condition? Is it less than or greater than?
I less than.
Less than what?
Less than.
From
1.
where to where we print a number 10 to 1?
1.
1.
1. Perfect. Then what is third conditions?
Minus,
Decrement.
minus. Decrement.
Minus, minus. Perfect. Now go for S by SO, S thing in the I. Okay. If I run this
Yes.
program,
Yes.
so it will print in the reverse manner. Oh, what happened? It's gone into infinity. We not get any output, right? SO system dot out dot println and I. Okay, let me run 1 second. Nothing. What the program you written? I equal to 10. Okay. I less than equal to 1. Okay, okay. The
Sir, you
condition
have
is
not put a
yes.
semicolon
Where?
after the bracket.
Here we have a semicolon, right?
No, in the fourth line. Fourth line.
Here.
Yes.
No, no. After for loop, there is no semicolon. Na? Where we written? We never written a semicolon. Not any program.
Yes.
Okay. Me, there is problem. See, it initially check I equal to 10. We are going here I less than 1, but I is not less than 1, na? Right? So instead of this less than, we should write greater than.
Yes.
Okay. Because now I is a 10, which is greater than 1. Right? Why are getting blank output? Because see what we have done. We have written I less than equal to 1. What is the current value of I now? It's a 10. Right? And the condition is checking 10 less than equal to 1, which is false. It will not enter into this. Okay. What is the error here? Have you got it? Or still not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Let me take some normal flow here so that you can understand normal flow. The condition is false, it come out of the loops and it will print normal. That means our program is correct, but the condition is printing wrong. So instead of this less than, make it as a greater
Yes.
than equal to 1. If I right click,
Yes.
run as Java
Yes.
applications, right? 10, 8, 9, something, something.
Yes, sir.
Fine, fine. Okay, one more program we'll take and then we'll stop. Rest of thing we'll see tomorrow. But that program, you should tell me, and then I just keep on writing. So program is quite easy. Your job is to be print multiplication table based on number. Means what? If I
Yes.
enter 8, the output should be 8, 16 up to 80.
Multiplication table.
Multiplication table.
Yes. Multiplication table. Means of
So
only a specific number or every.
no, only for specific number. Suppose input
Yes.
is 8, then 8 table should be get printed.
Okay.
So how should I do it? So let's start from taking a number from user so that that thing also get revised. How you take the number from user? For that we'll use scanner
Scanner.
SCA double N SCA double N ER scanner SC is equal to new SCA double N ER, right? Then we go for system dot in semicolon import this java dot util
Spelling is wrong. Yes.
okay SCA double N ER input scanner, right? Just we can add a message here, enter number for multiplication table, PNTR, enter number for table, right? So we'll get some input here. For input storing number, we'll take N. How I accept the integer number from user? Which function should I use for accepting number? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the function name which accept number as a input?
In
Sir, uh, the
Three function are there. One is a next for string.
next
Next is for
next
string.
int
Next in.
int.
next in.
Yeah, perfect. So next in. Okay. So now we have one number based on the user inputs. Now we want to print multiplication tables. That means we'll multiply this number by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 10. So now tell me what should I use here? We need to generate 1 to 10 number na first. Or we can generate 1 to 10 number then.
For loop.
For loop.
For loops. So we start integer I equal to 1, semicolon, I less than equal to 10, semicolon, I plus plus. So this loop will print 1 to 10 number,
Yes.
Yes.
right? And now our job is to be just multiply this I by n, right? I multiply by n. That means what will happen? Suppose
It
we
will be
assume
multiple
that there is a number is a 5,
number.
and initially this loop is print 1, then 1 multiply by 5. Answer is what? 5, right? Then this number
Yes.
will remain same, but it will become 2, 3, 4, and it is keep on incrementing. And this will 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 5 fours are 5 tens.
15.
Okay?
Yes.
It's quite simple and easy. So let me run these programs. We get multiplication table. Suppose I'm entering a number as assume that 8. 8 is the number of 8. Okay? 8. True. Okay, my keyboard have a problem. So what happened? Let me run once again. Run as Java applications. Enter number. Okay, see, I don't know. That's some keyboard have some problems. Maybe it get locked
So you
sometimes.
could open the on screen keyboard.
Yeah, that also because it's happens sometime. It's from the morning the keyboard is, the laptop is on, so it maybe get hanged or it maybe go in hibernate mode somewhere. Doesn't matter. Okay, let me save these files once again. Just try to run it. Okay, now it's working. Okay, sometime it may take it. It doesn't matter. See,
Yes.
we have a table 248 something up to 20. Okay.
Yes.
So if I want
Yes,
to
sir.
print some
Yes,
kind
sir.
of format, so just I will write means uh, what I want. So this is a simple format as usual. Let me copy this. I want to write 5n into means what? Firstly, I write number. Then I will go for a plus. Will write into. I will write here I. Sorry, I correct. Then I can write plus. Then equal to. Then I write plus n into I. Okay, just simply format the outputs. Suppose I print suppose 8 here. See, you can find out, right?
Yes, sir.
8 into 1, 8,
Yes.
8 into 2, and keep on. Fine. So we have seen the for loops. So I will share you all the program with you. Even also you get the recorded lecture within 1 hour and just try all the combinations. Okay. And this Saturday we'll do some assignment based on the topic that we have covered up to Friday. Okay. That also we do. Fine.
Yes,
No
sir.
problem. See you tomorrow on same time. Bye.